How to fix Messenger floating video call not working on Android. So if you want to fix the Messenger floating video call not working on your Android, then what you need to do is you just need to simply tap and hold on to your Messenger, go with the app info. Once you're under the app info, you need to go with permissions. Make sure that you allow all of the permissions. Once you've done with it, now you need to go with storage and cache. You need to go with clear cache. Once you clear your cache, go back, and here you will have an option of display over other apps. Tap on it and then allow. Once you allow display over other apps, then you will allow the feature of floating video call. Once you've done all of these, now you just need to simply restart your device, and after restarting, your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then the next thing you need to do is you just need to simply go with your Play Store and make sure that your app is up to date. Because if it is not, then you will find some problems. So you just need to simply go with the Play Store or your App Store and search for Messenger. Once you search, you need to go with update and update your Messenger application. Once you update it, your problem will be fixed. That's how you can fix your Messenger floating video call not working on your Android. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.